In this video, I'm going to show you a really simple trick for getting smooth camera movement. It's coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video. Now I'm just going to jump straight into this one. I've got a really simple trick to show you today that's going to help you get nice smooth camera movement, especially when it comes to pans and tilts, okay? We've all seen those ugly looking pans. The camera is stopping and starting and it's juddery and no. We want our camera movement to be nice, smooth, fluid and consistent, and there's a really simple way to achieve that. All you need is a rubber band. So instead of using your hands to pan and tilt the camera, we're going to hook our rubber band over the tripod head. And we're going to use the rubber band to pan our camera. Now the resistance in the rubber band allows you to get a really nice, smooth, fluid and consistent motion. And this can also be applied to slider shots. So just lock off the panning motion on your tripod, hook it over your tripod head, loosen your slider, and the same rules apply. And just like that, you've got a really nice, smooth slider shot. So there you have it, the rubber band trick, a great one to have in your arsenal, and it truly does work. It definitely helps you get a much smoother camera movement. So look, for the sake of spending a couple of pennies on a rubber band, it's definitely worth chucking in your camera bag. So I hope this video has helped. If it has, be sure to give it the old thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more content just like this, you can subscribe by clicking the icon below. And if you'd like to watch another video, you can do that by clicking over there. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.